Hello and welcome back. In the last session, we have discussed about the tuple, we have discussed about the list, we have used the dictionary, but we have not discussed about the dictionary and its built in methods. As you have already know, the tuple take less memory compared to the list. The dictionary the list takes less memory when compared to dictionary. So let us start today with dictionary built-in methods. So I'm using the Python. So before that, I'll just create an empty dictionary and I'll show you what all the built-in methods inside that. Well, you have clear, copy, from keys, get, ASCII, item, iterate keys, iterate values, keys, pop item, set default, update, values, view items, view keys, view values. Cool. So you have all these built-in methods. So let us go one by one. So let us discuss the clear. What clear actually does? It clears the key and value of your dictionary and it makes it empty. So suppose an example, what I can show is D is equal to Harish and value is 1 comma Arun and value is 2 and value is 3. So I want to clear this dictionary. So what I can, but I want that variable, but it should be cleared. So what I can do is d dot clears your dictionary, and if you enter d, it gives you an empty dictionary. Okay, what else? So here d, you have a copy. Well, what does the copy do? So suppose I have a dictionary called like this. Okay, I have a dictionary called, hey, oops, what's wrong? So the way I'm mentioning dictionary is in the wrong way. It should be flower brocade. Cool. Okay, this is my ID. So I have one more variable and I want to copy the same thing. Yes, of course we do like this and we'll get, but the dictionary have its own built-in method as well called copy. So you can use like a is equal to t dot copy. Okay, what a, so a value what you'll get is the same as the d value. So suppose if I update d, let us check, even I have not checked this. Suppose I have and I'll say 4 for this. If I press D, this is what the D is. If I press A, whether it creates the same thing? No, it is not. So it's just a copy of D what it has created. Suppose I'll also try this. Suppose Arun is equal to 5. So D is equal to this. So can I try with A? Okay. So it just copy the whatever the D value at that particular instance. Okay. Now what else? So from keys. So what from keys do? Suppose you have some keys somewhere you have written. Suppose I want this. I want to make all these as my keys. Okay, I want to make all these as my dictionary keys. So what I can do is dict is equal to DAC. So you should have an empty dictionary, and DAC dict is equal to DAC dict dot FROM from KEYS of A. So the dictionary will create that key with value none. Cool. Okay, what next? B. So get. Okay, get basically gets the value. So suppose you have dict, right? So you want the value of Arun. So what you can do is dict or dot get Arun. So k is equal to, then print k, it gives none. So yeah, in dictionary we have just assigned a none value for that, so it gives you the none. So what happens? Suppose if so people ask me saying like, why you want to create like that? You just use this, it gives you the same thing. Suppose k is equal to dict of and print print k. No, but not. I'll show you the different example with D. I can show you. Yeah. So people ask me why you are using get. You can directly get it like this now, like D of it is k. It means like this. So suppose take an example. You don't have that key. So that time it gives you error. So that is the reason we have a get method, built-in method, which actually gives if the key is not present, if the key is present, it gives the key value. If key is not present, it gives the none value. Print k. So you have 5. Suppose I have d dot get dot double a, and what is k for me? It gives the none. Suppose I want some value. If it is not there, yes, you can you can put it k first. So that is the reason why we use a built-in method get of dictionary when you want, when you pass the key which is not there inside a dictionary, and you want some value to be returned, either it should be none should be returned, then we use get. Otherwise, if you directly try to fetch that value, it throws you an error. Okay, what next? Cool. So we have finished from keys, we have finished get. Okay, the a dot as key just checks, gives you an boolean value whether the key is present or not. Suppose see t dot has key, if it is present it gives true. Suppose if it is not present, it gives the false. It is how it checks check whether the dictionary have the particular key what you ask for. Okay, so next d dot items. So what d dot item does actually, it it uh, it creates a list with a tuple having a key and value inside a tuple. So that is what items do. Then you can iterate through the dictionary by doing like this. So same thing, iterate iterate key also do the same thing. That is why it is duplicated in Python 3. Items. It creates. Oops, what's wrong? ITER. Okay. So it just create an iterator of that. So if you do like this for I in d dot iterator items items print I, it helps you to iterate the item. Same thing if you do iterate keys, it iterates through the keys. If you do PR and print high, it iterates through the sorry, it iterates through the keys. I'm sorry. So if I do iterate values, correct, print high, it iterates through the value. Okay, cool. What next? Let's move into the keys. What actually the keys do. Suppose you want a list of what all the keys present in your dictionary, then use keys. D dot keys keys gives you a list of keys present in your dictionary. So let us go to the pop. So the pop is acting quite differently here. So here you need to pass the key name in the pop. Then if you print, it removes that key. Whereas when you do the pop item, it removes from the first. Whereas when you compare the list, you remember it was removing from the last, but here it removed from the first. It pop removes based on the key value, and pop item removes from the first item. I'll just do it. It has to actually remove the Rudraya when we compare in the list pop, but it is quite different. It removes from the first. It removes Harish. Cool. What next? BRD. Okay, we have done with pop item. Set default. So suppose if set if there is no value for something like test, it forms the default value. See, it forms the default value as none. You can also give the test default none. You can give Harish. even if you give the value, it takes the none, because it only takes the key and forms the none for that. Okay, so next we'll move to the update. Suppose think you have okay, just B is this one and you have A, right? No, A is tuple. So suppose you have a tuple, so you have a one more dictionary. Let us take a good example. So DSC dict India Karnataka. So you have dict like India Karnataka and D like this. So you want to add D with dict. So it is not possible to add it like this. It gives an error. So you can update it. You should update like this. D dot update DSC dict. If you see the D, it is added. So this is the value which we have added now. So you can do like this, D dot update. You can directly pass the key and value here. Davangere, my home. See the D again, it is updated. Okay, what else left? Update is done. Okay, now if I want to get all the list of values whatever is present in my list, sorry, in my dictionary, you can do like this. D dot use values gives you all the values in a list. So same thing like VITEMS items, it shows you all the dictionary with the iterator, and even the view keys also does the same thing. This we don't use much, but so it gives you an iterator with all the keys, it gives you iterator with all the values. Yes. It gives all the iterator with values. So what you can do is for I in D dot view print I, so it gives the all the view item is just helps you to iterate. That's it, nothing much with that. Yeah, that's all in this session. I'm trying everything in front of you guys, and also sharing you the mistakes what generally we do and how we can find out the answer inside from the Python itself. So hope if you like this video, please subscribe, please like, please comment, and please share with your friends. Thank you and have a good day.